I just got the DeWALT T-Stack cart. With 220 pounds of loading capacity, I think it's going to be a great addition to my existing DeWALT T-Stack storage solution. Forecasters. It is worth mentioning that a 8mm Allen key and a 17mm wrench is required. Okay, that took longer than I had expected, so here's the tip. Make sure you install the casters with locking mechanism. On this side, there are two arrows pointing down. Okay, let's try this on. Are the drawers, since they are non-blocking. Oh, by the way, these support 220 pounds, so it should have no problem supporting my weight. Here's an idea. How about using them as shop stools? Since they have nice casters, and I have quick access to my tools here. Not bad. Okay, adding more. And more. It is pretty stable at this height. Thank you very much for watching.